Welcome to AMPRO. This short video will take us through AMPRO Portable. We log in using the password and username that we have been given. Depending on our permissions is which modules we see. Currently we are allowed to see the jobs, inspections and the requests module. Logging in as Brian, I now tap on jobs and this will display all jobs that have been assigned to Brian. It will also display any jobs that Brian has created. So from this listing, I can see current jobs. I can use my filters here. I can see completed or I can see all jobs. I can search as you see here. And I can do some filtering as shown here. So to see the latest job, I will just tap on the job description descending and it shows me the last job that was entered here. I can also do a search for something that I'm not sure about, but I'm just looking for a job that's got the word broken in it because I remember having that word. I can then search for that and it will display just that job that's got a particular word broken in the job somewhere. Tap on the X and it will close. So again, I can narrow down my search if I just wanted the word surface and it will show me my jobs that have got surface in there. If I wish, I can then open up the details of the job by simply just selecting the action icon, which now displays the job details for me. I can go through and have a look at any instructions, who else has been assigned, if there's anybody else, what parts I need to take with me in doing this service. I have the ability to attach files and download files, or I can take photos and attach them. And I can add journals and analysis codes to the job. Simply tapping back on the jobs icon again will take me back to my listing, and tapping on the AMPRO icon brings me back to the main menu. Okay, so now we'll go through the inspections module. Tapping on the icon shows us the list of all the assets that have been assigned to inspections. Again, we've got our filtering processes here that we can use. Ask AMPRO where to search for when you're looking for something, sorting. And if you add a parent, it will narrow down what assets are in that location. So from the screen, you can actually add a reading. You can edit some simple information in regards to the asset, i.e. If you put a new barcode on, the serial number hasn't been populated, manufacturer and model number. AMPRO will list all the inspections that are attached to this asset. You can see that it was last performed and when it's next due. Select perform and we get displayed with the inspections entry sheet. So we can just go through and tap on pass. Keeping in mind that pass means everything is okay. Fixed means everything is okay because I did something. So we want to capture that we're actually doing stuff as we're going around. And you might just put in a little bit of a message as to what you actually did. Keep in mind we've got repair, which means there's more work required than what I can do here now. I'm just doing my inspection and I've come across something that needs to be repaired, and you might put in here that the filter is broken. Oops. And off. Now, depending on your settings in AMPRO, because you've selected repair, AMPRO will automatically create a job for this compressor with sequence number 3. Not only with the comments that you wrote, but if you put in any additional analysis codes and so on. And the same goes with fail. If you select fail, AMPRO will then, if you've got the settings, create a job as well based on the information you give. But we'll put those two down as passed. So that's how easy it is to put your inspection in against that compressor. So if I go into jobs now and have a look at my last job, you can see job number 73 there has been created with all the information that, hey, that filter is broken. Tapping on my inspections, I get to my inspections listing again. Okay, so that's how easy inspections is. Tapping on the AMPRO icon takes me back to the main menu.